Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jen.
And I'm Lee. And today we're going to be doing a mukbang, a little story time while eating.
Yes. On
how we met.
Yes. Why is it rain? So we have
pie and peas. Both of us have pie and peas. Bowl for ketchup on anything. What are you laughing? You switch it wrong. Start ramp. So yes guys, before we start the video, we just wanna say thanks and
thank you guys for the love and support you have been giving to us.
Yes, thank you for the likes, thank you for the comments, thank you for
everything. We really appreciate it.
We really do appreciate it.
Yes, so
so yes, we're going to go into the video.
So guys, how we met. First thing first, we met on BBM. Not you?
I'll tell the people.
We met on BBM.
How?
I got one of my friend broadcast his pin, and then I add him. So yeah, we began to talk, you know, and all them something there. And tell them Nabi.
So yes, basically guys, one of so yes guys, one of my friend broadcast my pin, and no, one of our friends.
One of my friend.
We had a mutual friend. Mutual, let me say. Yeah, we had a mutual friend. So yeah, the friend broadcast my pin, and she ended up and get my pin, and then
I added him, and then we started to talk.
Yeah, friends, and just talking as friends.
Yeah, and then during that time we never like meet or so, and bear in mind, he never one time had up a picture with himself. Never one time.
You mean?
You never used to have a picture with yourself? And BBM, I could remember seeing your face.
Anyway guys, yes, we start to talk from there. We just like normal friends thing. We mean like talking like love it up with each other like that.
Right.
Until eventually we start to talk and get to know one another. And she ended up on last my opinion. So we talk for a while.
No, me phone me mash up.
Yeah, phone me mash up. So
mash up. And about after a year or so, after that, it's like he just randomly pop up in my head. And I was like, wait, this boy I used to talk to. So then I asked my friend now, one day in school, one evening after school, I asked my friend who she got his pin from. And she said her cousin. So I told her to ask her cousin his name so that I could like look for him, research him. Yes, so what if you don't? So I look for him on Facebook. No.
she ended up and got me pin. And then we start to talk from there again. Until eventually I used to go meet you like after school.
Yeah.
Well, I used to go meet you.
No, he ain't used to go meet you. Me. He used to come down every evening, guys. Every evening after school. For whatever reason. He used to come down. And then he used to like, after we don't start to talk on Facebook and things, he used to like see me in town after school in the evening.
Me she like that, so me used to talk.
No, we never used to talk. He never, no guys, don't say that. Bro, don't say that. He never used to say hi. He used to see me passing him, and then say nothing. And when he reach home, he will be like, oh, you know, I see you today, you look nice.
Stop telling like that.
Like you want me go back, go look for the message them.
So yeah.
So he used to see me and then say nothing. And then one day,
Eventually I'll just I've been going to meet you time and just say let me just man up and just want to talk to you because I've been seeing she at the time and just passing she and saying nothing. All we talking on media. All we been talking on media and she said like an assistant thing. So I said boy no. Let me just man up and talk to she and eventually bam up to she and talk to she and thing. She tell me how she's studying she broke. We don't talk about media and good. Talk to she face to face now. Oh she's studying she broke. She ain't studying a boyfriend now. And as you say, I'm only for other things trying to show me off now. So I say I was like I ain't gonna stop talking to she. And eventually like every day.
At one point on Facebook he didn't stop messaging me and I didn't feel bad. I didn't feel my feelings been hurt. Why my feelings been hurt, I don't know. But
because she will not start to get feelings for me, but she want to show it.
No, it's just I've been done start to like him, not having feelings. Bye. I've been just start to like
so like my feelings.
Feelings is having feelings. Like it's just like
I should say she been stop talking.
You mean stop talking to me? You mean stop messaging me?
Reason why I can't give no reason. I'm just like
He must be messaging somebody else. But yeah.
Yeah, she ended up messaging me back and say how I stopped talking to she and this and that.
No, I messaged him back and said, oh, let's run away. That's not what I said. Yes, that's him.
Yeah, and then eventually started to talk back.
From that. Until he asked me.
Yeah, we started to talk from there and then I used to tell she like I love you, me and you. I love you and she never used to say it back. So I used to watch nothing until at what point? Time in October.
At some point.
Yeah, I say
he asked me to be his girlfriend.
No, I asked her. Asked if she want to make this official. And what you say? Asked if she want to make the boyfriend and girlfriend thing official. And what you say?
I say maybe. And then after I say maybe, I like laugh and and then I said yes. After I said maybe and laugh.
Yeah, she said yes and just eventually we just take it out from there.
Yeah.
We just start to date, we start to go, we start to meet one another more often. We start
and
whenever you just see one
and
another.
he start to come up evening time and make me go home late.
Come on,
and make I used to get watchman.
Huh?
And he used to come up now after we young get into it. And he used to come up evening time. I start to go home a little later. Like I used to 5 and make me start to get watchman.
Let's watchman.
Yeah. And make me start to get
security.
Police. Police patrol. Police used to patrol me.
I know what guys. So yeah, I know that is like 2 years, 2 years.
Wow.
We been talking before like we started.
Yeah, 2 years.
Get involved in one another. We talking like 2-3 years. 3 years?
No, 2.
2 years. Yeah, we talking like 2 years before we start to get into one
before
another.
we actually get into it. And guys, the first time he the first time I actually saw him, I kind of forget this part.
She been getting him in our van and I was like coming around a corner I think.
Yeah, and he like, soon as Stefan going around the corner, he come around the corner at the same time. And then I see him, I'm like, oh shit, that's my boy. And and then
And then
and he messaged me. Oh, we gonna forget this party, dog. He messaged me. I see a message from him when I reach home, but then I didn't really reply instantly. I just leave it and then I reply the same day and about. I reply the
the story might not be as straight
in
as
steps, but
yeah.
but
You're saying
then
like peace,
1,
peace,
2,
peace,
5,
peace. You
4.
can't- They remember like everything.
Right,
one time.
yeah.
So the story has that straight
Okay, that makes
as we
sense.
want it to be.
But you will understand. You will get it.
So yeah, I did see Shaniva in the evening. That's the first time we did see each other.
Right.
And then
And then I watch it like
yeah, I think I did go home and message you. I
Yeah.
send a request or something like that.
yes, he sent me the friend request on Facebook and then he messaged me one time.
Yeah, and then we just started off from it. We just kick it off from it.
And then the day after that when he come down, he come talk to me. After he been watching me all the time and he been saying no.
Well, I don't talk that story already. That I just man up and just go and talk to she.
After I see him. So if I been never see him, like
No, because I come and look for you all the time and me seeing you.
you seeing me. So yes, after I saw him that time, he looked at my friend request on Facebook and messaged me. And then after that day,
Start to hang out and stuff. That's basically it.
yes.
As you said, our story might not be as straight as how we want it to be, but hope you guys understand.
Yeah.
So that's it.
So yes guys, that is it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, okay?
Yes guys, yes guys.
With that being said, peace out.